So it looks like these little guys are ready to go to the kiln. These are my little flower frogs. So this one is just kind of a abstract free form, and it's got these 3 little feet on the back. The paper that you see and stuck on there is clay paper or paper clay, patch attach, whatever you want to call it. By the way, Mako makes some, and it's called Clay Mender. And since they bought Duncan, who used to make the patch attach, it's now called Clay Mender, and the brand name is Mako. So you can look online to see where to get it. I let these dry too fast, and that's the reason that I have had to use this. I set them outside, excuse me, and they cracked. Some of them just got a little crack in that one and a little crack in that one, but the paper part will burn out in the kiln, and they'll be fine. They're just frogs, and they're kind of experimental. I'm not sure whether they're going to be, how they're going to work, but we're going to try it. So this one is for the container that they're in to fit inside this groove, and it'll go into place on a glass or a coffee cup or something like that. This one will sit just like this, and there's like a little, if you can see, let's turn it that way, you can see there's a little kind of a recessed spot in there. You can probably see that profile, and it's gonna just sit in there. I like this one real well because I think this is gonna sink into the coffee cup pretty good. And this one, I like it because it's funky, and it's just gonna sit in, and these little feet are supposed to hold it to keep it from sliding off the top of the whatever kind of a vessel it's sitting on. So I'm gonna throw them in the kiln, and we'll look at it when it gets out, and then I'll glaze everything, and then we'll look at them again. Okay. Check you later.